Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, I'm from behind the camera, people. I know you've been wanting to see me come from behind the camera. We're gonna try to give you more in the year of 2019. Now, if you looked at the title, you know it's all about what is the #1 watch face of the year. But before we get started with that, I wanna let you know that we are gonna be doing a countdown on New Year's Day. We're gonna be counting down the top 12 watch faces of 2018. Now, we gotta tip our hats off to the developers like PW, DW, ACD, Boogaloo, WSP, GS Watch Faces, SMZ, all the creators that got down on these watch faces that made a huge impact on the variety of different watch faces and designs that we have to choose from today, both paid and free. These guys have done such a phenomenal job that the bar has been moved. They have been doing an awesome job. Now, with that being said, I narrowed it down to 5. I tried to narrow it down to 3. I could not narrow it down to 3, and it was really hard to narrow it down to 5. We're talking about the whole year of 2018. We're picking one watch face. I got one, I believe, right? Now, we're not gonna bump heads on this one or anything like that. This is what I believe to be the #1 watch face of the year. So Jackie, OZ, Adrian, all you guys, Vince, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you believe to be the #1 watch face that you downloaded of the year of 2018. So with that being said, let's count down the top 5 watch faces all the way down to what is the #1 watch face of the year. Just so you know, we will be leaving a link in the description for all the watch faces that we're going to be reviewing today. Starting off with number 5. Now, number 5 is called PM Design 11. This one was off the chart so far as look and design is concerned. It's a very simplistic watch face, a nice analog, unique watch face, especially if you take a look at the hand, very unique for a watch face. Now, I like the fact that I was able to tap here and I could change the color of the design. And also it still gave me my heart rate information, step information, and my battery info, which is pretty much what most people look for out of a watch face. But the simplicity and the uniqueness of the design stood out a lot for me with this watch face. Watch face number 4. Now, if you're looking for a luxury watch face, this one was the one to choose in 2018. The developer went all out with this one. I have not seen a watch face that matched this one yet. Now, arguably, this could be the #1 analog watch face of the year. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at it. The name of this watch face is called Cold Prophet. Again, the developer lit this one up. You got simple hands, you got a nice smooth second hand taking around the bezel of the watch. Now that hand with the little red dot on it, I'll tell you what that means in a second. You get your date right up at the top. So if you're going out to a board meeting, business meeting, or if you're trying to tie this watch face into a nice suit, this will be the one to play, right? Now, the developer didn't stop there. You can customize this watch face. So let's check it out. I tap here, you get a nice ring. Now this is gonna be your 24-hour time, right? If you look down at the bottom, it's got 24-hour time. The hand represents the time so far as the hour is concerned. I thought that was pretty cool. Tap one more time. Now you're gonna get your battery info, you're gonna get your step status info, and it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go in and get more of your step status, which I thought was pretty cool. Tap one more time, you're gonna get the moon phase, people. I'm telling you, this is a super analog watch face, a super elegant analog watch face at that. I'm gonna tap one more time. Now I can play both. Now this depends on what type of day, what kind of outfit, where I'm going. I can customize this watch face to fit the part. Now you tap again, this is what you get one more time, and you'll get both, right? So if I tap up here, I can get my calendar, and if I tap down at the bottom, I'm able to set an alarm. So I thought the developer really outdid himself with this one. Haven't saw a watch face created to the max like this one since this one came out. All right, but see, do you see why it was so tough to choose #1? Watch face number 3 is called Silicone Animated. It's a very nice looking watch face. I know it does not look like it right now, and I chose it because of the uniqueness of the design. But look, yes, it is a 24-hour time. It says Silicone, right? And once you tap on it, you single tap, you open up a door for a nice design, nice animation. Pretty much gives you everything you need so far as step status is concerned. So up at the top, you are going to get your heart rate, steps. You are going to get calories burned. Your 24-hour time, you're going to get a nice design on the inside of the watch face. You're going to get your date, also battery info, and you're able to tap into your music. So you can tap into all the applications by a double tap and you can go into whichever one you want to and grab the info that you're seeking out of this watch face. I thought the design was very unique, worthy of a download. Yes, people, this one stood out. Now, if you want to go back to simplicity, there's face number 2. Now, number 2 is beautiful. Now, this is a nice blending of digital and analog together. Now, the color brings everything together. It has an elegant look in spite of the fact that it has a digital look to this watch face. I thought the developer really got creative with the design of this one. Now, in the center is going to be your hour, of course. If you look at the top, you got a line that's going to represent your minutes. No, it is not interactive, but you do not need it to be. I think you can get away with dressing with this super casual for the most part. You could try to get away with this dressing up, but I thought it was definitely a unique look for an analog/digital watch face. That's why it made number 2. Now let's check out the watch face of the year of 2018. Yes, people, this one is the number 1 watch face of the year, let's say for me, right? I like this mechanical look. I like the design. The watch face stood out among all the watch faces of 2018 for me. And considering that this is a year for exercising, people have been staying in shape. People want to keep up with their step info, calories burned, heart rate information, and this watch face gives it to you. Now, I like the fact that this has an old school look so far as the glow in the dark tips at the hand, and even in the AOD mode, this watch face looks great. Now, it has a traditional look because you are going to get your date over here, and you are going to get your second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. This is truly a great look. And then if you double tap right here, it is going to open it up for you to be able to get your step status info. I thought that was an awesome look, and how they hid that. You want to get rid of it and you're going to hit the town, you want to dress to impress, you can close it right up, people. And yes, number 1 for 2018. All right, you all, I'm eager to hear what you thought of my lineup and what I believe to be the number 1 watch face of the year. All right, don't forget to hit me in the comment section down below, because I would like to know which one you thought was number 1 for the year of 2018. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, because I had fun doing this video. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.